hashing, that is, if primary pages get full, then what will we do? We keep on adding additional pages called as overflow pages. Now if I'm looking for a certain record, what will I do? I will apply my hash function. Let's say I'm looking for record number 4. What is the hash function? 4 mod 4, that is equal to 0. I will go to bucket 0. If the primary page is full, then I will just check the overflow pages of that bucket. I have to keep on checking all the overflow pages till I find my record with search key 4. Now again this is time consuming. So what will I do? Either I can change the hashing function and reorganize the entire hash index, or else I will go for extendable hashing. What is extendable hashing? What is the difference? In extendable hashing, I will have something called as directory. That directory contains pointers to the buckets. Yeah, I will have first a directory, and that directory will take me to a bucket. So if ever my buckets are full, what will I do? I will double my directory. Once I double the directory, then automatically my number of buckets are also doubled. The size of the directory is much smaller than the actual file, so doubling it is easier and cheaper. Only pages that need splitting, only pages that are full, they will be getting split. Yeah. And then I have, for example, I have a directory that is of size 4. Then how many number of buckets will I have? 4 buckets. Now to find the bucket for search key k, what should I do? I should take global depth of number of bits it will denote, okay, of h of k. Yeah, let's say h of k. What is the h of k? Hash function. Okay, what is the hash function I am taking in this? I am taking bits, binary bits of my search key. What is the search key here? For example, I am looking for record with roll number 5. What is its binary value? 101. Now what are the lowest bits here? 0, 1. Let's say I'm taking two lowest bits, 0, 1. Now 0, 1 will be the bucket in which 5 will be stored. Now before going to see insert, let's see the example. Search key is 5. Okay, how am I going to get my hash value, hash function value? By taking its binary value. What is the binary of 5101? What are the least bits here? Last one, 0, 1. Now if I take a directory of size 4, then I have indexes 0, 0, that is 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1 is 3. Yeah, that is binary representation of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now this directory page will take me to this directory page will take me to the bucket A. 0, 1 takes me to bucket B. 1, 0 will take me to bucket C. 1, 1 will take me to bucket D. Yeah, what is local depth? Local depth is how many number of bits I am considering in this bucket. How many number of bits I am taking here? 0, 1. That is 2, 2, 2, 2. And and how many number of bits I'm taking to consider my directory also. 2 buckets, 2 bits, 0 and 1 in this case. Yeah. Now 0 1 means 5 should go into this bucket, and look at this, that this directory is taking to bucket B. Here I can store my 5. Okay. Yeah. How will I perform insert? If my bucket is full, then what will I do? I will split that bucket and allocate new page, and then I will redistribute. If I need to double the directory, then I will double the directory. When will I decide I can double the directory? Based on the comparison of global depth and local depth of the bucket. Okay, let's see. Okay, for example, this is my bucket. Yeah, let's consider first this part only. Now I want to insert 20. What is the binary value of 21? 0 1 0 0. Now what I need to insert 20 into my bucket, I need to take least bits, that is 0 0. Now 0 0 will take me to this bucket A. Is this bucket empty? Do we have any empty space in this? No. Then what should I do? I will double the directory. If I double this directory, how many number of pages will I have in this directory? Here I have 4. If I double that, I get 8. In this case, how many number of bits do I need to identify each location? 3 bits. Yeah. Then in that case, what are the bits that are identifying my search key 20 1 0 0? Yeah. Okay, here goes. Yeah. 1 0 0. Now your 20 should go into bucket for 1 0 0. Before that, what will I do? Okay, I've split 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, I got all this. Whenever whatever buckets are there, they will be rearranged. Bucket A you have, very good. Bucket A is full and I need to rearrange its content so that I can insert my 20. 0 0 0 is this bucket A. 1 and then 0 0 1 is this bucket. 0 1 0 is this one, C. 0 1 1 is this one, very good. Okay, now I will split only the bucket I need. Which bucket I need to split? Bucket A. So for that I will have a split image. Bucket A, split image is bucket A2. And I will rearrange the values. 4. What is the binary of 4? Okay. H of K for, okay, H of 4 is equal to 1 0 0. So 4 should go into split image A2. In the same way, what is the binary for 12? You will find out last 3 bits will be 1 0 0. It goes here. What is the binary for 20? Last 3 digits will be 1 0 0. They go into A2. If you see for 32, then last 3 digits are 0 0 0. Then it is stored in A. And same for 16. Last 3 digits will be 16. Last 3 bits will be 16. They go into bucket A. In this manner, you will rearrange the data in your buckets. Now, key points to note is whether deciding a value, search key belongs to A or A2, main bucket or its split image. How are you going to decide? By using the last 3 bits. Global depth of directory is maximum number of bits needed to tell which bucket an entry belongs to. And local depth of the bucket is number of bits used to determine if an entry belongs to that bucket. Yeah. Now, when will you say a bucket split must cause a directory doubling? For example, if whenever you are inserting, then you should check for if global depth of the bucket is equal to local depth of the bucket. In that case, insert causes local depth to become greater than global depth. Directory is doubled by copying it over and fixing pointer to split image page. Yeah, least significant bits are used. Okay, now you can see here why use least significant bits in our directory. This allows for doubling via copying. If you see here, if I am storing 6, okay, what is the least bit here? 0. In that case, if I am using only one bit, yeah, I will have two values, 0 and 1. How many number of buckets I can have? 2 buckets, 0 and 1. If I take 2 bits, 1 and 0, then how many number of buckets I can have? 4 buckets, 0 0, 4 variation, 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 1. If I take 3 bits, I can have 8 variations. Okay, if I am taking least significant, then it keeps on changing the position. Yeah, 0, then here next bit, if I am taking 1 0, then it is in bucket 3 or bucket C. If I am taking 3 bits, then it is in split image of C. Yeah, C will be here, split image of C will be here. But if I take most significant, what will happen? Most significant will not keep changing with that. 1, yeah, 1 is here, 1 1 here, yeah, and then 0 1 1. Yeah, okay. If a directory is sitting in memory, equality search is answered with one disk access or else 2. Yeah, because directory size is small. In a 100 MB file, 100 with a speed of 100 bytes per record, and 4K pages contains how many records? 10 lakh records. Yeah, and 25,000 directory elements it has, for example. Chances are that directory will fit in the memory even for all those number of records, because directory is very small. But the problem with this is directory will grow in spurts. That is, directory whenever it is doubling. For example, I had two buckets at first. Yeah, directory size is 2. If I double, I have 4. If I double, I have 8. If I double, I have 16. So directory is growing in spurts. Distribution of hash value is skewed. Yeah. Then directory, if the distribution is skewed, then directory will grow large. Multiple entries with same hash value will cause problems. If all the data is going into hash value 1 1, then for example here hash value 1 0, then I will keep on doubling this directory to accommodate this hash value last 2 bits 1 0 1 0. Yeah, okay. If I am deleting the operation, then removal of data entry makes bucket empty. It can be merged with it split image. If the bucket becomes empty, then combine it with the split image. Each directory element points to same bucket as its split image. Can have directory. If all the split images are merged, then I can have my directory. That's what it is saying. Yeah, next we will see linear hash based indexing. Okay,